Hi, today I'm going to show you how to clean grates on a wall heater. They added this room on, it was a carport I guess, or garage, and they made it into a family room where they watch shows and stuff. And it has this wall heater attached because there's no furnace from the rest of the house in here. And so my grandson got red finger, I don't know what he was eating, stuff down here, so I started spraying it and cleaning it and got about 3/4 done, and then I thought, oh, that would make a good blog. So because at first I was just spraying it with, if you watch my channel or read my blog, I love this Totally Awesome cleaner from the dollar store. It is fabulous. It works on grease really well. The only thing it will do is take off some of the writing on little things like that, but I use it on stoves and my trailer, car upholstery. I've got a really good blog about how to get the dirt off of car upholstery, so check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and type in Totally Awesome Cleaner at the bottom and you'll see everything I use it for. But you can see, hopefully, this area is quite clean, and all the way into the backs of the, I haven't rinsed it yet, but it's pretty clean. And then as you come down where I haven't finished scrubbing, hopefully you can see it's kind of bright. Let's see if I get in the shadows of, let's try this and see if you can see. It's really gunky and dirty and dusty. Yeah, you can see it well when I'm in the shade, when it's in the shade. Anyway, so I haven't cleaned that. I have sprayed it several times and it is cleaner than it was. You can see it's got the drip marks and everything, but if you have a space that says caution, like down here, the letters have come off, you can put clear tape over that and then just spray this and clean it as you would, and just leave the clear tape on there if you care about that caution sign. I didn't pay attention and already washed it away, so there's a warning there. But so I stopped about here, and I just want to show you what I do. So I spray the entire thing with Totally Awesome Cleaner, but cover any wording that's on there that's painted, because it will take paint off. And then, so you take the Totally Awesome Cleaner and you just spray it at an angle, get it all in there, and then let it sit for a minute. And then once it's sat for a minute, all I have done so far on this is just like this, just rubbing it in and letting it soak in. So you can get a brush. This is a kitchen brush, probably from the dollar store. It's actually coming off, but you need these longer type of bristles to get in, and I'll show you why. So there's some goo in there, hopefully you can see it. You put the bristle in and you have to twist it to get to those back corners, and as you do that, it flecks dirt at you. So make sure that you are able to have it where this cleaner can fleck and not damage anything. So you can see I'm moving it and sliding it, and then I'm twisting it to get into those deeper corners. And all this is just a mug full of water. And make sure you put a towel down or some rag that's going to absorb all the cleaning solution that drips and the water that drips. And then you just go, this is only, you only need to do it this low and whatever if it's in the corners. But if on these other ones, I just do this because the bristles are soft enough and long enough on this one that it's getting in there pretty well. But when it gets in the back corners, I have to, some of the corners are really dirty. You have to twist it and do it that way. But for the most part, just going back and forth like this will clean it, and it's been pretty quick. I've been in here maybe 5 minutes. And then I stopped and went and got the camera and took care of my grandson for a minute. So you just do that, and then I need more water, but then you just rinse it really well with clean water, and then it will start to drip down and take down all of the stuff that doesn't belong on there. My daughter said she used to do it, she just get Clorox wipes and just wipe it down, but I started that at the top. I sprayed it and then just took a paper towel, and they were coming off filthy and it was leaving streaks, and that's way time consuming. And this way has been really quick. Don't know if you can see it, but it's clean to where I'm working on now, and then I'm just going to rinse the entire thing, and if there's a stubborn spot you can spray it, or maybe put a little bit of Clorox bleach on it and get any stains off of it, and then just rinse it with just rinse out the container, rinse off this thing, and put a little bit of clean water, and then just go down it with this. And I mean, ideally, taking it outside and using a pressure sprayer would be the best situation, but since I can't get this off, this is not removable. I already tried. I was just going to take it out there and scrub it with a scrubber, but also be careful not to use a really strong scrubber. We did our garage door using the Totally Awesome cleaner and some scrubbers, and the stiffer brushes will actually scrape the paint off, and you don't want to do that because it's a nice white and it's not bad. So just be careful not to use too strong of a brush. This one's perfect. The bristles are longer. It almost kind of looks like a toilet brush, but it's their kitchen sink brush. So maybe look in the cleaning selection at Walmart or somewhere. Anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. This has been awesome. I'm almost done, and you saw how quickly it's going. And I just needed more water. It's kind of stalled and soapy because I need more water in my mug. I did bring the toothbrush out, her cleaning toothbrush, but I didn't even try it. I figured this is working, why bother? So I'm not even going to use a toothbrush because I'm almost done, and it's just using this brush and it's going really quick. So I just wanted to share that with you. Check out my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com, and type in cleaning event. This would also work for just air conditioning vents or anything like that. And at the search box at the bottom on the home page, you should be able to find this post, and there'll be more pictures and description. Thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.